Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, hello and welcome to today's mathematics tutorial. We are going to tackle an interesting KCSE style question on edges and quadratic equations. One problems often look tricky, but once you learn how to translate them into algebra, they become much easier to solve. So let's dive in together. This question was done in the year 2012 in Mathematics Paper 2, and it was question number 20. A parent has two children whose age difference is 5 years. Twice the sum of the ages of the two children is equal to the age of the parent. Part A. Taking x to be the age of the elder child, write an expression for Roman 1, the age of the younger child, Roman 2, the age of the parent. B. In 20 years' time, the product of the children's age will be 15 times the age of their parent. Roman 1. Form an equation in x and hence determine the present possible ages of the older child. B. Roman 2. Find the present possible ages of the parent. And B. Roman 3. Determine the possible ages of the young children in 20 years' time. What is this question testing? Because that is what you should ask yourself when you are given an essay question in mathematics. The question is testing the topic of forming and solving quadratic equations from word problems within the algebra section of the secondary school mathematics syllabus. More specifically, it assesses translation of real-life age relationship in algebraic expressions, and next, forming equations from given condition. Again, it tests solving quadratic equations either through factorization or the quadratic formula, and finally, it helps in interpreting the solutions in the context of ages. Let's break this down step by step with clarity and precision. So we start with A, where we give the expressions, and we say the elder child is equal to x, the age, and for the younger child, age is x minus 5. The parent age is twice the sum of the children, which is equal to 2, x plus x minus 5 in brackets, which is equal to 2x minus 5, which simplifies to 4x minus 10. B Roman 1, equation and solution. In 20 years, elder will be x plus 20. Younger son will be x minus 5 plus 20, which simplifies to x plus 15. The parent will be 4x minus 10 plus 20, which is simplifying to 4x plus 10. Given product of the children is equal to x plus 20 times x plus 15 equals 15 times the parent equals 15 times 4x plus 10. So, form the equation x plus 20 times x plus 15 is equal to 15 times 4x plus 10. Expand both sides. You get x squared plus 5x plus 300, which is equal to 60x plus 150. Bring all terms to the left, and then you have x squared plus 35x plus 300 minus 60x minus 150 is equal to 0, implies the equation becomes x squared minus 25x plus 150 is equal to 0. Solve the quadratic by first of all getting the discriminant, which is given by b squared, the part of the quadratic equation, b squared minus 4ac. And therefore, b is negative 5 from the equation. That is the coefficient of x. And so negative 5 squared minus 4. A is 1, the coefficient of x squared, and the constant c is 150. And the answer becomes 625 when you square negative 25 minus 600, which is 25. Find the square root of d, and you get that one to be 5. That is the square root of 25. So x equals 25 plus or minus 5 over 2, and thus x has got two values because quadratic equations have two values. The first value is you go through the positive root and you get x is equal to 25 plus 5 over 2, which is 15, or x is equal to 25 minus 5 over 2, which is 10. So the present possible ages of the older child are 15 years or 10 years. B Roman 2. Parents' present possible ages. So the parent age now is 4x minus 10. If x is 15, the parent will be 4 times 15 minus 10, which is 60 minus 10, 50 years. And if x is equal to 10, the parent will be equal to 4 times 10 minus 10, which is 40 minus 10, which is 30 years. So parent is 50 years or 30 years. Roman 3. Young child's age in 20 years. Younger child now is x minus 5. In 20 years, it is x minus 5 plus 20, which is x plus 15. If x equals 15, younger in 20 years will be 15 plus 15, which is 30 years. And if x is equal to 10, younger in 20 years will be equal to 10 plus 15, which is 25 years. So the possible younger child ages in 20 years are 30 years or 25 years. Summary of the answers. A. Younger son, age is x minus 5, parent is 4x minus 10. B. Older child now is 15 or 10 years. Parent now is 50 or 30 years. Younger child, son, in 20 years is going to be 30 or 25 years. That brings us to the end of our lesson in this question. We have seen how a simple age problem can lead to quadratic equation and how solving it gives us realistic answers that fit the question. Keep practicing more word problems because they are favorites in exams. After all, they carry so many marks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more mathematics tutorial individual questions. So we won't forget to give special thanks to the KCSE mathematics examiners, curriculum developers whose style of questioning inspired this practice problem. Appreciation also goes to all students and teachers dedicated to making mathematics enjoyable and easy to understand. Attribution goes to mathematics, algebra, quadratic equation, forming and solving from word problems on ages, which is NEC exam style. So congratulations to NEC for us going through their style of the question. May I meet you in my next question, guys? Goodbye and good night, because I have done this question in the evening.